If you've lost access to your Target account and can't use your email to recover it, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Target website. Go to the official Target website and locate the sign-in option. Click on it to access the login page where you will find the option for account recovery. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter information associated with your account. This may include your phone number or username. Provide the required details to proceed. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you do not have access to your email, select an alternative recovery option such as receiving a verification code via SMS to your registered phone number. Follow the prompts to receive the code. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the designated field. After verification, you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your Target account without needing access to your email. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Target customer service for further assistance.